Hey guys, and welcome back to The Growing Gardener. I am Cindy, and today we are going to take a look at the potatoes that I tried to grow. And then we're going to determine what we're going to actually do with that soil because I am in need of it. Come on, I'm going to show you my plants right now. So these are my cabbage and broccoli plants, and as you can see, they look really good, but they have signs of being eaten by bugs. And so these right here, as you can see, are still in our seedling tray that needs to be out. A lot of these I planted in here because they grew all crazy and I had to replant them. So I really need to spread them out or take them out. I think that's one of the good things, that when you are actually growing from seed, you have to grow extra because you never know what's gonna happen. And so for the ones that are destroyed already, and even my collard plant is half dead, but guess what? I have extra that I can put in place of that. So the first thing that we're gonna do though is to go and see what my potato plants are doing. All right, guys. This is, oh, and I know you guys hear the voice, and if you looked at my last video, it was even worse. So it is getting better now. Hopefully I don't sound too much like a frog, but that's what it is. I was under the weather a little bit. I feel much better now, but the voice is still getting better. But anywho, I planted these probably about 2 months ago from the sprouts off of a tomato. At first, this bag was growing up, and all of a sudden it stopped. And then this one over here started to grow. Well, again, you know, I told you guys that I had a late summer garden. This is evidence of it. I doubt anything is going to be ready by the frost. I mean, I can keep my fingers crossed, right? But because I need more growing space and soil right now, we're gonna go ahead on and see what this did under here, and then we're gonna repurpose the soil and plant some other things in here so that we can get those started too. So guys, I am keeping my fingers crossed that it did something under there, even if I'm gonna disturb it. But maybe next year when I do this, I'm gonna actually have potatoes. So what I am gonna do right now is just start to take this soil out.
We're so proud of our gardener.
That's the Mister.
Go
He's so silly. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead on and take some of this out because we're gonna amend the soil because we want to reuse it. Yeah, the soil actually looks amazing. I'm gonna actually pick this up and help it out a little bit more. But it's not dry or anything. I see my sticks where I started. Yeah. Let's see, somehow they just died. I don't know if you guys can see that really well, but there's the stem. Let's see if I can get it. See, oh, look at that. It actually had potatoes. Look at that, guys. Well, look, I am gonna have hope. They were actually growing. OMG. I hate that they stopped. And the wood chips, when I initially planted, I put wood chips to keep it moist. I am so mad at myself, y'all. Well, not mad because I didn't do anything to make it stop growing, but oh, I have potatoes. Only two, but, or at least that I see right there. No, I just saw some more. I thought I did anyway. Aw, dang. Well, now I know the potential, right? We definitely know the potential. I'm not gonna worry about the the shrubbery or the wood chips. I'm not gonna worry about the wood chips. We're just gonna leave those right on in there. Oh, I'm so tickled. Oh, I'm so tickled. We're just gonna put those right there. They're gonna remind me of my potential. Alrighty. So what we're gonna do to start to amend the soil, we're gonna add a little bit more fertilizer. And we'll do a little bit more later. And we're gonna do a little bit of worm casting. And then we're just gonna mix this right on up. Let me put back on my glove. And that is awesome. I feel like this is gonna do very well. Though this soil, I am really, really pleased with the way this soil looks. All right, let's see if we can go ahead on and get the rest of it out. Get this chopped up. I'm gonna do a little bit more on top. Not a lot, because we'll feed the hole that the plants actually go in as well. A little bit more worm casting. And then we're just gonna mix really well. Ah! I told you guys, I am not a real gardener. Look at that worm. OMG. We're gonna definitely try not to bother him. We don't wanna hurt him. Little worm, don't go too deep. I don't wanna hurt you. Let's see, let's go ahead on and put you back. When worms start to find your soil, it's a really good thing. They add so many benefits to your soil. Now, the thing that I think I'm gonna add that it doesn't look like that I have that much of is some perlite. We want to make sure, even though it did very well, we want to make sure that the drainage is well or that it stays well. I'll put a little bit more later as well. I'm kind of holding my breath. Man, I tell you guys, I am so excited. Even though the stem of the tomato plant and my other one over there is not big as poop, imagine how much bigger whatever is down there has to be compared to this, which, like I'm telling you, it's been over 3 or 4 weeks that stopped growing up. So I am really encouraged. Let me just put all of that back in there. So we're gonna go ahead on and put this back in here. This time though, I'm not gonna fill this all the way. I'm gonna be able to use another bag like this to plant more stuff. And the reason I'm not doing it, because with my other two, as you can see, the insects are at play, and I brought netting. If you don't have these and you have an insect problem, especially with younger growing plants, these are perfect, even with older plants if you're able to get them on. So I am gonna only fill this bag about halfway because I want to make sure I can use that my netting doesn't bother my plant for a very long while. And I'm only gonna put one plant in the bag just to make sure that it has enough room to grow. All right, so guys, I did not get many potatoes, right? But I promise you, I am so encouraged about next growing season. I am gonna have not only white potatoes, but even some sweet potatoes. So I'm really excited about that. In addition, nothing goes to waste, right? It was trial and error. That is how you learn best. In addition, we're reusing our soil, right? All we're doing is adding some more stuff. So we're amending the soil and we're getting it right for our next set of plants. So come on back Saturday and we're gonna actually be repotting some of my seedling plants that I showed you earlier. All right, have a good one, guys. Don't forget to comment below.